A very good morning to all my dear students. So as we have already started the sphere and hemisphere, okay, so we have already started this topic and I told you to complete the questions of exercise 13.4 from 1 to 3. I have already given you the formulae, and based on those formulae directly substitution was there in those three formulae, so you have to just do it. Okay, so now question number 4 we will see. It is given that radius of a spherical balloon is 7 centimeter. Okay, already a balloon is there, its radius is 7 centimeter. Now when some more air is pumped inside the balloon, its radius become 14 centimeter. So you have to find out the ratio between their surface areas. So initial surface area upon surface area after pumping air. And what is the formula for surface area? 4 pi r square. Now this radius I am taking as r1, and the outer radius, outer means afterwards in the final position, the radius will be r2. Okay, so this is 4 pi r1 square upon 4 pi r2 square. 4 pi and 4 pi will cancel each other and it will be r1 upon r2 whole square. Okay, so this way it will be there. Then 7 upon 14 will give you 1 upon 2 and its square will be 1 upon 4. So the ratio will be 1:4. So this is very simple. Okay, then question number 5. It is given that diameter of a bowl is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, and bowl, bowl is in the form of a hemisphere. Okay, and if its curved surface area from outside it is to be tin plated, so what will be the total cost of tin plating if 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एरिया कॉस्ट ₹16। तो आपको पता है कि बाउल जो है वो हेमिस्फीयर की शेप में होती है, तो आप क्या निकालोगे, और ऊपर से खाली होती है, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट इट्स कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ SA you can write here CSA. So surface area of the bowl, which is CSA, it will be given by 2 pi r square. R will be 10.5 upon 2, which will give you 5.25. Okay, so this way 173.25 centimeter square will be the CSA of bowl. Okay, then cost of tin plating, 100 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट 16 है, तो 1 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर का कॉस्ट कितना होगा, 16 अपॉन 100. तो 173.25 का जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 173.25. सो द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ टिन प्लेटिंग द बाउल विल बी 27.72. Okay, so this way. Then 6th question will be your homework, which is very simple. Now 7th question we will see, in which it is given that diameter of the moon is 1/4 diameter of the earth. ये relation आपको given है, and you have to find out the ratio of surface area of moon to surface area of earth. Okay, so let diameter of earth be d. So moon का कितना हो जाएगा, d/4. Radius of earth will be d का half, which is d/2, and radius of moon will be half of d/4, which is d/8. and again आप दोनों का इंडिविजुअली सरफेस एरिया निकाल के कैलकुलेट करने से बेटर है, जस्ट राइट द फॉर्मूले एंड देन डिवाइड इट. सो इट विल बी 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 पाई r2 स्क्वायर. ओके, ऊपर आप मून का रेडियस विच इज d/8 है, यू विल राइट इट. नीचे यू विल राइट द रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ विच इज d/2. 4 pi get cancelled, d square and d square also get cancelled. This 2 ka square 4 will come in the numerator and 8 square which is 64 will come in the denominator. Okay, so 4 upon 64 which is 1:16. So 1:16 is the answer. Okay, then similarly question number 9, it is very simple. Again you have to do it as homework. The last question of the exercise, which is question number 9, we will do. 8th one you have to do as homework. Now what is given, a sphere is completely coming inside a cylinder. Okay, यानी कि जो sphere के sides हैं और you can say walls हैं, वो cylinder के चारों sides को touch कर रहा है. Now radius of sphere will be r. It is given to you. So what will be the height of cylinder? So you can just have a look from here to here. It will be height, and how much is this? R plus r. So it will be 2r. So height of cylinder will be 2r, and radius of sphere as well as radius of cylinder will be r only. So the first part is you have to find out the surface area of sphere. तो वो आ जाएगा आपका 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर. ओके, वैल्यू कुछ नहीं है तो यू विल राइट योर आंसर इन दिस फॉर्म ओनली. देन व्हाट विल बी द एरिया फॉर CSA ऑफ सिलेंडर? इट विल बी 2 पाई आर एच. नाउ यू नो रेडियस तो r है और हाइट कितनी है 2r. सो 2 पाई r इंटू 2r which will become 4 pi r square. So what is the CSA of cylinder? It is 4 pi r square. Okay, now you have to find the ratio of areas in equation in first part and second part, which is SA of sphere upon SA of cylinder. So it is 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square, which is 1:1. So this way we have completed the exercise 13.4. Now we'll proceed further. Now the next topic is volume. Okay, now what do you mean by the volume? The capacity of any container to hold something is called its volume. Okay, किसी भी container की, whether it is a cylinder, a cube, a cuboid or anything, its capacity is called its volume. Now what are the dimensions of cuboid? Dimensions are L, B and H, length, breadth and height. So what will be the volume of cuboid? It will be L into B into H. Okay, and in case of cube, again the three dimensions are there, but all the three are same, which is given by the formula A. Okay, H. So what will be the volume? A into A into A, which is A cube. So this is very simple, these two formulae. So based on these two formulae we have to solve exercise 13.5. Okay, so question number 1 is direct substitution, you will do by your own. Question number 2 we are just doing. The question is, you have a cuboidal water tank whose length is 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter and height is 4.5 meter. Okay, 4.5 meter. Now volume of tank you have to calculate, because question में पूछा है what will be the capacity or how many liters of water this tank can hold. So for that first of all you will calculate the volume of tank, which is LBH. तो आपका आंसर आ रहा है 135 मीटर क्यूब, बट दिस आंसर इज इन मीटर क्यूब. और आपको क्वेश्चन में पूछा है हाउ मेनी लीटर्स ऑफ वाटर. सो यू नो 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1000 लीटर्स. सो 135 मीटर क्यूब विल बी just multiply it by 1000, so it will be 1,35,000 liters. This much water is contained in this tank. Okay, so this way you have to do the questions by putting the formulae. Now try to do okay next question, but first question is your homework. So that's all for today. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.